The soft shadows fall, the day says goodbye. A tender glow fills the evening sky. Whispering winds through the trees gently weave a melody of calm, a song to believe. The world slows down, no rush to stay. Each moment breathes in a softer way. The river hums its timeless tune under the quiet light of the moon. Let it flow, let it be. Drift like a leaf on a tranquil sea. No need to run, no need to fight. Just find your peace in the calm of the night. Though the night a minute, the heart unwinds its rhythm still. The stars above, a celestial thrill. A gentle pulse, the earth's own beat, wraps around you, a warm retreat. Close your eyes, let silence sing. Feel the comfort the quiet can bring. The world fades softly, dreams take flight. You're cradled now in soothing light. So here we are, no words, just ease, carried away by the whispering breeze. Tomorrow waits, but for now just stay. Let the soothing calm wash today.